Hey everyone! Ever get frustrated when flight prices seem to jump every time you check? You're not alone, and today, I will reveal my favorite hacks for scoring cheap flights in just minutes. If you save money with these tips, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel secrets. Let's get started! So, in the first part, let me explain why flight prices are different. The first reason is popularity. You've probably noticed that flights to hot destinations like Paris in the summer or New York during the holidays always seem pricier. That's because when lots of people want to go somewhere, airlines know they can charge more. It's just classic supply and demand. The more popular the route, the higher the price tag. The second factor is the wealth of the country. Believe it or not, where you're flying to or from can make a huge difference. Flights to wealthier, more developed countries often cost more, simply because airlines know travelers are willing to pay higher fares. On the flip side, routes to less affluent countries might be cheaper, since airlines expect travelers to be more price sensitive. Third, date is also a main factor to affect the price. Timing is everything. If you're booking flights around major holidays, school breaks, or even big local events, get ready to pay more. Airlines hike prices when they know everyone's trying to travel at the same time. But if you're flexible and can travel on less popular dates, you'll almost always find better deals. There are also random circumstances that can affect prices, like political events, sudden economic shifts, or even natural disasters. For example, if there's a big international conference in a city, flights there might spike. Or, if there's a storm or some kind of crisis, airlines might reduce flights and increase prices for the few seats that are left. Now, let's show you 4 hacks to get cheap flights easily and simply. The first way is to clear cache and browsing history. If you check the same flight a few times, the site remembers, and sometimes they'll bump up the price just because they know you're interested. To avoid this sneaky trick, make it a habit to clear your browser's cache and history before you start searching for flights. For Chrome, head to Settings and choose Privacy and Security. Check all and delete this data. The second way is to use a flight comparison site like Skyscanner. There are awesome flight comparison tools like Skyscanner that pull in prices from dozens of airlines and booking sites all at once. It's like having your own personal travel assistant that does all the legwork for you, making it way easier to spot the cheapest options in seconds. Here's a game changer. Try searching for flights using a VPN. A VPN masks your IP address and keeps your online activity private, so airlines can't track where you're searching from. Even cooler, you can use a VPN to virtually move to another country. Just pick a server location like Canada, France, Singapore, etc. Sometimes airlines offer better prices to people booking from different regions, so this can save you a surprising amount. If you want to try it, check out the link in the description to download UFO VPN. Once it's set up, just connect to the country of your choice and start comparing flight prices as if you were booking from there. Another simple trick: always use your browser's incognito or private browsing mode when looking for flights. This stops websites from saving your search history or using cookies to track your interest in specific routes. It's a super easy way to make sure you're seeing the real, unbiased prices, and it keeps your search private and secure. So, next time you're planning a trip, remember, clear your cookies, use incognito, and definitely try out a VPN to unlock the best flight prices. If you found this helpful, leave a comment with your favorite travel hack, subscribe for more tips, and safe travels. See you in the next video.